Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys are having a great week. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Teresa Ramirez and I am a realtor with eXp Realty here in the beautiful El Paso, Texas. If you're returning, I appreciate you guys tuning in today. I've been receiving a lot of calls from you guys over the last couple of weeks, so I am so grateful and I'm so happy that this channel is helping you guys to kind of give you a sneak peek of El Paso, and it makes me so happy to be of service to you guys. So if you're not already subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. I cover all things El Paso, new construction, resale. I do a lot of property tours, community tours, and anything else I think might help anybody that's either moving to the area or already in the area and is very curious about other areas. So without further ado, today I am bringing you guys a tour of this beautiful Hakes Brothers home. It is new construction, and as you can see that kitchen behind me, it is a beautiful bright white with black hardware. This is an absolutely beautiful home. I showed it to some clients of mine yesterday. They fell in love. They opted for a two-story. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to come back and take video because this really is a beautiful home. So this one is 3 bedrooms plus a flex space that could be used as an office or another living area. It also includes 2 bathrooms, 1,900 square feet, and this one is located at Peyton Estates. If you're not aware of where Peyton Estates is located, I invite you to check out another video that I'll link up above that is called Horizon Community Tours Part 1. So I do cover Peyton Estates in there so you guys can get a pretty good idea of where this house is located. And if you guys have any questions, please keep in mind that I sell any builder here in El Paso. I also specialize in resale, so I can help you guys find whatever it is that you and your family are looking for. So let me know what you guys think about this one and enjoy the tour.